What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, guys, thank you for all you guys who subscribe to my channel. Please leave a like on the video, comment on what anything you need help with. And yeah, so today we're gonna work on how to build a moving platform in gdevelop like this, what you see on the screen here. And it's quite easy. So let's open up gdevelop here. So if I press play right now, nothing happened. So I want you guys to do is just create a moving platform in Sprite, yeah, and call it. You don't have to name one platform, anything you want to name, and create these that say go left, go right. Now let's go work on magic. So first we gotta go and create a group. I'm just gonna call it moving platform and just create some events right here. So first, after you create these, I want you to create and go in here and say and create a variable and just call it directions, and you can put it at 1. Any number you guys want to put it, but I prefer you put it at 1 or 0, anyone. So yeah, just call it directions. So after that, now I'm gonna say at the beginning of the scene, make sure the variable of movie platform of directions is equal to 1. Now when the variable of the moving platform is set equal to 1, move to angle, move platform to 180 degree 80 at the speed of 150. So let's press play. Let's see what happened, guys. So now you're seeing just moving. Yeah. So yeah, we got that now. So we're gonna say when moving platform collide with go left, copy this, set the variable of moving platform to 2. See, guys, and let's copy this again and let's paste this and let's press 2 and say when the variable direction is moving is set equal to 2. Copy this, paste, and just say make this move at 0, the angle of 0. So let's play. That's what happened. And call it go left. Now it's going left. And yeah, so we need to add go right now, which is number 1. So when let's copy this again and just paste this and just say when moving platform color go right, set the variable equal to 1. And let's play and see what happens now. So I start off going right now. Now you guys can see. So yeah, guys, that's all it. And just do it that way so it's much easier, so you can have more than one. And as you can see here, let's just do something else. Go and hide objects and say, you can see what it looks. Hide, go left, hide, Go right. So this is how it's gonna look. Yeah, you're moving, but it's hard to keep track of. Yeah. Whoa. Actually, kind of weird. Oh, but yeah, that's it, guys. So please subscribe to the channel, and then we're gonna drop other videos like how to make double jumping and how to make create falling platforms. So the inside move from side to side. When you jump on it, you wanna fall, and you have to keep it jumping, jump and jump and fall. So yeah, guys, thank you for subscribing and thank.